What's the meaning of alpenhorn? Alpenhorn. 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 Alpenhorn.
The alpenhorn is a wind instrument traditionally used in Switzerland and other alpine regions. It is typically made of wood and can be up to 4 meters long. The sound it produces is deep and resonant, and its unique timbre has made it an important part of Swiss culture. The alpenhorn is often played in ensembles or for traditional celebrations, and has even been incorporated into modern music genres. Its distinct sound and cultural significance have made the alpenhorn an enduring symbol of alpine heritage.